Good morning, babe.
Good morning.
What are you doing?
Hi. Cleaning all the exhibits.
I didn't know what to do today, so we're just gonna do coffee with the critters.
Okay.
That means you need to go get another cup of coffee.
Are you gonna make it for me?
Shoot, I guess. Coffee. Coffee. You have to help me because I can't hold everything. Thank you. You have to. It's a left-handed cup. That means if it's not in your left hand, you don't see the sloth. So that makes that a left-handed cup, correct?
Well, I mean, or you could do flip slow. I usually drink with my left hand.
Do you? Is that a natural thing?
Yeah.
I don't know. I'm right-handed, so.
That's
All right.
not-
What you working on?
Just making some diets this morning.
Awesome. Who you gonna feed still?
I have a whole other half to feed.
Nice.
The monkeys and lemurs and cats.
Cool. Well, let's do it.
Okay.
Today, we're gonna do coffee with the critters. And guess who we're in with right now?
We're gonna hang out with Penelope. She's been missing all of our guests that usually come during our tours. Did you just notice I put a big tunnel in here? So we're trying to do extra enrichment, hanging out with them a little bit more, giving her some attention. So hopefully she'll come over and lay with us for some back rubs and coffee.
Well, we'll drink coffee, not her.
I picked some flowers for Penelope.
You can pretty much hear the parrots wherever you are on the property. And Sky, the blue and gold macaw I raised, so whenever she sees me, she's like, Dad, 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 and has to yell and scream. And their voices, they're actually designed to call one another from miles apart in the rainforest, through a very dense rainforest, and hear each other. So if you could imagine, there's not a ton of trees around the sanctuary. So when Sky wants to call to someone, you can hear her, and it's very easy to hear her. And all the parrots, you can hear them in every one of our vlogs. So yeah, it's natural ambiance.
It's yummy. her a little odd. It's really awesome having relate sessions with the animals like this, though, just coming in and hanging out with them, getting to have a good view of them. We can check her ears really well, her little toes really well, even those little teeth. Can I see the teeth? You got big rodent teeth there? So it's really awesome to be able to, be hands-on with the animals, make sure that they are looking good and healthy and happy, like Penelope is. And their fur, I don't know if you guys can tell, it's really, really coarse. It's almost like hay. But when they get in the water, since they are a semi-aquatic rodent, it gets super sleek, so it's almost like putting on a wetsuit for them, and it dries pretty quickly too. So they get their pond cleaned and filled every day, and that's what we're going to be doing next. So by the time it warms up this afternoon, they can have a nice afternoon in the pool. Alright, so we are in with Aries, one of our female GEOFFROY'S cats, and she's actually our smallest GEOFFROY that we have. She is only 5.5 pounds. She'll be 4 years old this summer. And I think this is the first time we've brought the camera in with her, so she's not sure what to think of it right now. What is that? Go check it out. Oh, get that fun microphone. So these guys are a beautiful small wild cat from South America, and we decided to get GEOFFROY'S here as a little conservation mission. We love to teach people about different species that many people don't really ever know or hear about.
She's going to the bathroom.
She is. Potty break. Right on camera.
No, I'll take her off to be courteous to her.
And she has quite the little personality, as you can tell. We really love to educate people about GEOFFROY'S cats. They're a species that not many people have ever seen or heard of before. In fact, in the zoos here in the U.S., there's only about 90 of them total. So we're pretty excited to have them and educate people about the lesser cats. There's actually 34 lesser cat species throughout the world and 7 big cats, but those 7 big cats get all of the attention. Oh, you gonna chew it up? So you might notice she has a lot of toys, just like a house cat might have, but these guys are definitely a wild cat. Her little nails are daggers, and their teeth are very powerful. They do eat raw meat. We feed them raw chicken and whole prey items here, so they have a very powerful bite force, pretty impressive teeth for the size of the cat that they are, and it's definitely not one you'd want in your house. Sometimes even just playing with her, she gets a little rough. That's why we try to use all the toys. Oh yeah. These guys could catch a bird mid-air if needed to in the wild. They have one of the most wide varieties of diets as compared to all the cats in South America.
Thank you guys for hanging out with us this morning. We got to get back to work here, but just like all the animals here, Luke's getting really good taken care of. He's happy, he's healthy. Nothing's gonna happen to him during this time of uncertainty. We're taking really good care of all the animals. And thank you guys for tuning in. If you are not already subscribed, please subscribe to our channel. Give this video a like. Let us know in the comments what else you want to see. Let us know how you're doing. We're going to try our hardest to keep bringing you guys lots of really cool animals and really fun, upbeat, exciting content, because animals make everyone happy. And that's what we're here for, to make people happy. So, and maybe you'll learn a little something too. So, thank you guys so much for tuning in, and go out there and do something amazing.